Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve a Math Olympiad question which was appear in British Math Olympiad in 2009. This question states that we have to find the integer solution of square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of 2009, or square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of the prime factor of 2009 is 7 square times 41, or square root of a plus square root of b is equal to this square root, and this square will cancel out, so it will remain 7 times square root of 41. Or if we divided both sides by square root of 41, we can write square root of a over square root of 41 plus square root of b over square root of 41 is equal to this square root of 41 will cancel, so it will remain 7. Or square root of a over square root of 41 can be written as square root of a over 41 plus, similarly this can be written as square root of v over 41 is equal to 7. As these two terms will be integer, as right side is integer, so a over 41 will be perfect square. Consider a over 41 is equal to x square. Similarly, b over 41 will also be perfect square. Consider b over 41 is equal to y square, where x and y both are integer. Now substituting a over 41 is equal to x square and b over 41 is equal to y square, here we will have square root of x square plus square root of this b over 41 is y square, so y square is equal to right side is 7. This square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain only x plus this y is equal to 7. Here x and y are integer, so for integer we can write x and y. So when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 7, and when x is equal to 1, y will be 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. When x is equal to 2, then y will be 5, and when x is equal to 3, then y will be 4. This 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and when x is equal to 4, then y will be 3, and when x will be 5, y will be 2. When x will be 6, then y will be 1, and finally when x will be 7, then y will be 0. Now as x square is equal to a over 41, so a is equal to 41 x square. So for x is equal to 0, the value of a and b will be, as x is equal to 0, so a will also be 0, and when y is equal to 7 and b is equal to 41 y square, so the value of b will be 2009. 9. And when x is equal to 1 and a is equal to 41 x square, so the value of a will be 41. And for y is equal to 6, the value of y will be 1476. And when x is equal to 2, then 2 square means 4 times 41 is 164. And when y is equal to 5, then b is equal to 5 square. 25 times 41 is 1025. And when x is equal to 3, then a will be 369, and for y is equal to 4, b will be 656, and when x is equal to 4, then y will be 656, and when y is equal to 3, then b will be 369, and when x is equal to 5, then x will be 1025, and for y is equal to 2, the value of b will be 164. And when x is equal to 6, then the value of a will be 1476, and when y is equal to 1, then the value of b will be 41, and finally when x is equal to 7, the value of a will be 2009, and for y is equal to 0, the value of b will be 0. So these are the 8 solutions for integer. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.